Hey, welcome back, traders, to another live edition here. Your host, Mr. Know-It-All. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in this world. And thank you guys so much for tuning into Swing Trade Pros here. As you guys know, Bitcoin breaking out of the inverse head and shoulders pattern that we were talking about that was in development yesterday. Okay, we were talking about this, all right? It wasn't clear 100%, but last night it was pretty clear, all right? A lot of these coins were showing this type of recovery pattern, this inverse head and shoulders pattern. We were talking about it. Bitcoin, in my opinion, is going to get up to close to the $61,000, maybe $62,000 area and put in a maybe double top, okay? And maybe double top, and the reason why I say that is because we do know that Bitcoin over the course of the next couple weeks is probably going to go back down to test the 21 EMA on the weekly or the 200-day moving average according to the cycle repeat chart. Okay, so definitely stay tuned and pay attention, guys. All right, obviously this is the reversal. We're going to go back up to back test these areas up here. All right. This area right here where we broke down from, we're probably gonna go back up to test this, okay? This $60,000 area, all right? I hope I'm wrong and we just end up breaking out and this was like a fake breakdown, right? That would be crazy. I've seen it before, man. I've seen it before. But right now we can almost safely assume that we're gonna go back up to test these red band territories up here between 60 and 61,000, all right? This line right here, this 59,005, 59, basically right around that 60K area. We're going to see what ends up transpiring. Also, guys, we do have a monthly candle close today, so this is a big day in the market, okay? Soldier, what's up, dude? When we called out XRP last night late, we saw this inverse head and shoulders pattern breaking out of the neckline here, and what did we do, guys? We got that move. We're looking at a major move, right? So these falling wedge patterns, they typically go back up to the top of the wedges. So not only are we not only were we in a falling wedge structure, which we gave entry on at $1.08, we broke out, we back tested. What did we back test, guys? What is this? What is this yellow line right here? We always keep talking about it over and over again. The price flirts with this area over and over again. What is this area called, guys? What is this moving average called? I want to hear you guys. We only have 17 people on. I don't understand what the F is going on with the YouTube algorithm right now. Can you guys hear me? Is the microphone working? There is everyone. Caleb, yes you can. You can use the 21 EMA for all time frames. That is correct. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, cool. Hey guys, I just got like a server boost status alert on Discord. I don't know what any of this means if you guys are good at this stuff. Your server is going to lose a level. This server will lose level 2 perks in 2 days and 8 hours. You need 2 boosts to maintain it. Oh, okay, so I see. All right. Anyways, sorry, I know it's a little bit off topic, but if any of you guys have Discord boosts, man, that would really help the server out. We just need 2 boosts to maintain it. Cool. We can look at all the charts right now. Sorry, guys. I just got an alert about that. TRX we can look at. Sure. I'm actually in a live swing right now on OXT. Show you guys real quick on this. So we got stopped out. We traded TWT. We stopped out in profit, but we're still in a swing trade right here on OXT, spot trade. I didn't post this in the Discord because I know most people, they want like Binance futures trades, and you know I'm not always about trading on leverage, so I'm just trading spot. Okay. So we had an entry here at 61.7 cents, and we're up about 5.88% on this trade, and I'll just continue to move the stop loss higher as we trek on up. And this one was OXT, all right? So I'm gonna look at this real quick here just for myself, and excellent, yeah, good job, man. So it's also the inverse head and shoulders breakout, right? So I think we can easily get back up to this target area here, about 81 cents. But if you zoom out, we're actually in a more major of a structure here, right? So we have the demand line down here. We started making these higher lows up here, right? Hey, great job, Ryan. You're doing really well then. You got in at 59 cents. That's a nice gain, man. Nice job. Great job, man. Okay. So yeah, this is looking also very nice. Probably can go back up to the top of the structure here. We might even get a breakout. But you guys know how I feel about breakout trading. I would rather long the demand line, okay, low risk long down here, than try to trade the breakout up top here, okay? Remember that. Always look for the low risk opportunities, right? Do not try to long the top. Do not try to long something that is near a supply line, all right? Make sense, guys? TRX. The chat's kind of quiet today. Where is everybody? TRX, also that falling wedge structure, right? How did you figure that was the lowest point? Are you talking about on the OXT chart? Caleb? Yeah, we can look at Doge, no problem, man. Sure, yeah, so like I said before, guys, the STP RSI band, all right, this indicator that's on my chart right now is very good at giving low risk opportunities for longs, okay? Look, I mean, every single time we come down to touch this green band territory, we got to move up. We almost touched it here. We got to move up, right? We touched it here, like we were below it. So you know this is a very, very, very low risk long opportunity, right? And what are we doing? We're gonna go up now. We might make a lower high, come back down, okay, and then we're gonna just, you know, kind of just trek out of here, okay? So, like the RSI bands, guys, if you guys are short-term traders, long-term traders, it doesn't matter. In my opinion, this is one of the best indicators that we have here at STP, okay? I use this every day. And we even have a gentleman. Hey, thank you so much for the 35. I don't know what currency that is, but I appreciate it, brother. How is it, dude? Please do Cody. Yeah, we can look at Cody, man. Let's look at Cody. Sure. We're gonna go to the daily time scale here on Cody for our guy here, Kudzai. Kudzai, where are you from, sir? And thank you so much for the super chat. Really do appreciate that. It looks like we got a falling wedge break, right? This is nice. All right, we're in bullish territory. We're at 58 on the RSI, plenty of room on the daily here to make higher prices. Okay, we could get some consolidation up here or even a back test. All right, but we are above the key 21 EMA on the daily for Cody. All right, we're gonna get some targets here. Obviously, the top side target, guys, on the wedge is always the top of the wedge. All right, so you can even set take profits up here around 51 to secure yourself the profit if we get a pullback here, okay? Oh, wow, awesome, man. Awesome. That's awesome, really is. So here you go. We're at the 61.8% retrace right now. All right, this is like the beginning part of or the end part of the golden mean ratio. All right, so it is possible we reject this. Okay, it is possible we go sideways here, or maybe even back test. Okay, see, we had an initial break here. We tested again, made another lower high, but we continue to make higher lows, which is important, right? We continue to make higher lows, right? So you can actually draw your demand line here now, right, from this low. Okay, and you can also draw your supply line. You're trading in an upsloping channel right now. You're in a breakout, is what I'm trying to say. You're in a breakout. You also have this resistance line here to break, right? So downsloping supply line here. And on the hourly, you actually look very good. Stochastics just pointed up on the hourly here. You're coming out of negative momentum again, which looks like extremely bullish stuff happening here. Okay, you're above zero on the MACD oscillator. You're coming out of negative momentum, making positive price action, and this is implying a move up. Okay, on the hourly chart. So we're looking at a short-term target here about 42. That would be the top here. And then obviously up to your next Fibonacci extension around 47.7 cents. And then your ultimate swing target here of the all-time high, 58 cents. And if you end up breaking this range, all right, from the bottom of this range to the top of this range is 160%. Now this is a longer-term swing, okay? Longer-term swing, all right? 160% from the range breakout is putting you close to that $1.50 area if you do the whole move. But we can safely assume we'll probably get to some of these fib targets here in the longer term. All right, Kudzai, hopefully that helps you out. Okay, hourly looking good. Short term indicators looking strong for Cody. All right, let's see. What are your thoughts on CHZ? Hey bro, thinking of long an XRP real soon. What you think? Man, you should have longed XRP about a month ago when we were talking about it at 47 cents. Where were you then, Daryl? Or, sorry, Bradley? Sorry about that. Whoever I just messed up their name on that. My bad. Let's see. So, TRX we were looking at before. GRT, H bar. All right. We didn't really finish covering TRX. Let me cover that real quick. So actually we did. So inverse head and shoulders pattern playing out. All right, you got the range break here of about 12%. All right, basically your swing target's up. That's almost close to 18 cents. All right, so TRX looking pretty good. Falling wedge breakout, right? Making its move up. We're gonna look at Doge, sure. Let's do Doge real quick for all you Doge guys out there. We said this looks like a descending broadening wedge type of formation, and that's kind of what we're looking at right now. Just we're consolidating right at this level on the hourly. 4 hour probably looks pretty good. It does. We are above the 21 EMA, and we're just consolidating here. All right, just kind of trekking up on the RSI. All right, we could get up to this line. We could make a lower high. It's possible. But yeah, this does look nice. Bake. Not really too much chart data on this one, man. Maybe do you mean cake? Or maybe it's this one. Yeah, the Binance US dollar pair. Okay. This has all the data. All right, so yeah, I think we charted this before. All right. Nice. So we got this bullish rectangle break. We can see. Yeah, we're above the 1272 fib, right? And from the bottom of the range to the top of the range, we're looking at about 218%. So we're looking close to that that $9 target. Okay, longer term on this IVO. CHZ, XRP, and HBAR. CHZ still in the downslope consolidation pattern. All right, we got back above the daily 21. That's good, but we're getting a bit of pullback or rejection right here at the top of the red band area. All right, but this still looks really strong. This still looks really strong. We got the nice bullish cross here. We want to see more positive momentum come in to push the price higher. The stochastics look good. The daily is sitting at 55 on the RSI, so no issues there in terms of overbought or oversold. We're kind of in the middle of the range. We're in the bullish range. We could go sideways here for a day or two, and that's fine. The 4 hour actually looks pretty good, like it's rounding out to go higher. So pay attention to that. All right, so CHC looks good. It does look like a massive inverse head and shoulders pattern. Like a lot of these right now, they all look very similar in their recovery patterns. Okay, they all look very similar. So we'll see how this plays out. That's CHZ. We're going to look at XRP. We already looked at this though, right? Got the breakout right here, boom, and we're gonna go back up to this top swing target here, about $2. You break $2, you're gonna go up to 234, which is the next major swing target here on the daily chart. Okay, there's really nothing up here once you get back above $2 on XRP. Okay, HBAR, then GRT, and Algo and Icon. All right, well, this ascending triangle didn't break up. We got 1, 2, 3 rejections and broke down. We still have our resistance line up here, and now we can just draw this a bit differently as a descending broadening wedge, right angle descending broadening wedge formation, and it is now implying price action back to the upside, and we'll probably come up to test this neckline again. Okay, and if we break this area here, you're looking at about 80% measured move, and that's going to put you close to about 77 cents longer term. BRT. Still in that nice downslope consolidation pattern. I like it. We're about to get back above the daily 21. All right. And I think I said before, this was also in that inverse head and shoulders pattern. And you can see we're coming up to the neckline right now, right? You can see this volume coming in here, right? This looks good. The 4 hour just crossed up. Stokes are nice and erect. And we're sitting around 58 on the RSI. And we're getting a cross up on the MACD oscillator as well. Oh, this looks very good. This looks very good from a technical perspective. All right, we can easily get back up to the top of the channel, which is right around that $2 area. Right. I did not go over FTM yet. We'll take a look at it, man. Saeed, we looked at CHC, we'll look at ADA after we cover Algo and Icon here. And yeah, guys, make sure you guys smash up that like button, man, for me. Come on, I'm sitting here working my ass off and giving you guys the best TA I can give you. All right. So Algorand in this nice upsloping consolidation pattern. All right, we can easily see the top of the range, 175. Maybe we get a breakout this time. I don't know. Like I said, I don't recommend breakout trades, guys, but it might happen this time, right? It might happen this time. We're showing this hidden bullish divergence, and we're getting this move up right now. Okay. So easily get back up, I think, to the 170 area, even up to the top wicks 175. We break this area, we'll probably go to that 250 area, and there's really, guys, there's nothing up here. Like, it's just twigging, it's just straight. It went straight down, right? So you can start marking these areas off on the chart. Right, you got this wick here, you got this candle body here. There's really nothing up here in terms of resistance. This isn't really much at all for Algorand. You can start marking off these areas, all right? Once you break these, there's nothing. It's just a candle down. So, in my opinion, this is going to break. It's going to break this no problem. Okay. And major long-term swing targets, we can definitely go from the swing low, from the swing wick to the swing high. All right, 4,000% measured move, guys, is what this is telling me. This sounds insane. It may not do this whole move in this run, but hey, man, if we get to half of this move, you know, we get to like the 1414, the $17 area. Oh, turn the music up? All right, sure. All right, so we got ADA to cover. So really, like, bullish rectangle right here on ADA. We got this consolidation range that we've been in, right? So once we end up breaking this range, we're looking at 50%, almost a 50% move, okay, for ADA, which is going to put you somewhere close to that $2.30 target area, okay? Nothing up here, literally nothing up here on ADA. Icon, right? We missed ICX, man. We gotta look at that. I got a big bag of Icon, guys. I've been holding this thing since November of 2019, an entry around 16 cents, man. I'm sitting on a bag. I was trading this wedge here, and I got out of my initial investment around this 40-cent area, and I've just been holding this free trade since then. And I intend on holding it all the way back up to 50 bucks. I mean, it's gonna happen, man. It's gonna be crazy when this goes down, right? Probably by the end of this year, get probably close to that $50 area. $172% measured move, man. Where does that bring us, man? That brings us basically right back to ETH, right? Crazy shit. Man, this is gonna be silly. Icon, man. Whew. All right. Let's see, man. What else did I miss here? I missed FTM, Rune, We'll cover these, all right? FTM, man, got the breakout, right? Beautiful. We called this out on the stream the other day when it was back testing this, right? So we basically almost completed the whole move, right? Got to break back above this this 90-cent area, all right? But dude, this is real, man. This is FTM, man. Look at the weekly, what it just did on the weekly here, guys. This is a weekly breakout, a nice strong bounce right off the 21 weekly EMA, guys. Perfect spot to go long. Remember, guys, the weekly 21 EMA sets the asset up for long-term growth or an uptrend or a downtrend in the coming weeks. So if you see that the asset's about to cross back above the weekly, man, that's going to be a low-risk long opportunity every time, especially down here when we got this double bottom, right? Bottom, double bottom, and then boom, right? It just gone. Like, it literally just broke this entire structure, okay? You got to look for that stuff, guys. The 21 weekly EMA is probably the most important to look at, aside from the monthly. The monthly is obviously, you know, longer term in terms of, obviously, monthly chart, right? So, but yeah, it all starts with maybe an hourly or a 4-hourly chart crossing above the 21, and then looking at the larger term time scales to see what's happening, okay? All right. Yeah, man, Phantom still on the move, for sure on the move. The weekly looks like the oscillator's just reset too. We got this positive momentum spike we got here, that breakout. Just be careful though. We are entering back into overbought territories. All right, we could be maybe diverging a little bit here. All right, but it's not clear just yet because we just had another huge spike of positive momentum. All right, and the signal indicator here isn't telling us any down moves coming just yet. So, and the weekly stochastics just crossed up as well. So looks like a continued move higher, you know, in the coming weeks. All right, for FTM. Very nice, very nice. Slyfox, we covered GRT earlier. We can cover Link for Soldier here. Litcoin for Vidoosh. Rune, MTN, BTC. Let's take a look at Rune first. Holding this weekly uptrend too, the demand line. Obviously, there's not that much data, but the 21 weekly EMA around 750. All right, so still in a nice uptrend. You want to see if you can close this weekly above 1670 as well to negate this previous bearish weekly candle. All right. So looking really good on Rune here as well. There's not that much chart data, unfortunately, though. I can't like make it clear designation, but yeah, I mean, I would say we break back above 1680. You know, you're looking up at this $25 target. And it's really that simple. Keep breaking the fibs, you're going to make new highs, right? So watch your volume. It's starting to taper off. Be careful up here, all right? MTN BTC. I've never heard of this one. Take a look at it. Oh wow, this thing's destroyed. Wow. Go to the weekly, right? I don't really even know where to begin with this. This thing is just destroyed. All right, so you got weekly resistance there. There's like a 10x from here. I don't know what this asset even does, but let's see. Yeah, I mean, you're crossing back below the weekly, man. That's not good. That's not good, man. That's not good right there. Right, this closes in 2 days, so let's go to the 3-day chart. 3 days below the weekly. I mean, this technically would be a higher low than these lows, yeah, but you just want to be careful with stuff like this. It's just been in a major downtrend. Right, there's definitely better assets out there that you could look for the future growth. But yeah, I mean, straight down, right? In theory, it could go back straight up. So, but this doesn't look too good right now. Doesn't look too good. downsloping channel maybe on this. Okay, maybe this area here. Maybe you're at an area. You know, maybe you consolidate here and try to break out. What did I miss? I missed Lit, BNT, and Alpha. Okay. I don't even know if I like to use that, but I mean, it's pretty clear we're in some sort of downsloping consolidation pattern, right? Something like this. Been respecting this range. And yeah, Lit is definitely in an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Breaking the neckline right now as we speak, right? You see this neckline being broken right now. %, breakout, okay? Expected here. Douche. So you're looking at the resistance area right here. This wick around 11 bucks. Starting here probably and right to the 1040 area, which is the measured move of this right side of the shoulder. Yeah, same thing. A bullish rectangle or a bullish consolidation in this range. It's literally just been range bound, right? So if you break the trading range, 108% measured move from the supply line top, which brings you pretty much back up to the wick high, okay? Or a little up here. 28 bucks, probably close to 30 bucks, okay? Let's see. ONT, band, we covered GRT, Link, BNT Alpha, and Link. Bancor is a great project, guys. Yep, downsloping consolidation, nice little flag formation. Getting the cross up right now and showing bullish divergence here on the daily. All right, you're showing the divergence on the daily. You're getting the bullish cross right here. You're gonna go up, man. You're gonna go up. You're implying a move up, okay? Top of the pattern is close to that 950 area, 960 area. And on up to the swing high around 14 bucks, which I think is the previous all-time high for Bancor. And wow, do you guys see this pattern, man? Like, this is a major, major, major structure. This right here is like a major inverse head and shoulders pattern as well on the weekly time scale, right? And yeah, I have the targets here. From swing low, the swing high, long-term target, almost a 13,000, let's just call it 13,800% from the breakout. Now, we're not going to do this whole move in this run, or not. But let's just say it goes up to the 200% retrace, right? So we're looking at major fib targets up here. All right, probably between the 1272 and the 1414 in this run, right? Longer term targets, guys. This asset looks very, very good, guys, on the weekly chart. Very, very nice. Very nice. All right, so BTT. Let's see. PNT, what we're supposed to look at after this? Alpha, right? Alpha breaking it, breaking the supply line. Got the breakout here on the weekly. Got the back test off the 21 EMA. We talk about this a lot, guys. The 21 EMA is very important for an asset to remain in its uptrend. Okay. Beautiful breakout. Nice bullish pennant here structure on alpha. We're looking at about a 200% measured move from this breakout. All right. You guys are hearing it, man. You guys are seeing it. This is live. All right. This asset's going to go up to $5. Okay. Sounds crazy, I know. But this is TA, guys. All right, let's see. What else do we got? We got Alpha done. We got BNT done. We got Link to do. Yeah, let's look at Link. I got a pretty bag Link bag myself. Beautiful Link. Broke the supply line here. Got a nice breakout. Right, it looks a lot like these inverse head and shoulders pattern we're seeing. We're back above the daily 20 EMA. Beautiful Link. Great job doing that, guys. All right, so let's see if we can get this rising wedge that we're forming right now. If we can get a breakout above it, man, that would be insane. We're looking at about a 215% measured move. This is basically telling us we're going to go up to at least $100 on Link in the long term in the next couple months here, right? We've been formulating this pattern here since like January. Crazy shit here. But just the bottom of this range to the top of this range is 40%. Okay, so we can if we get a breakout on this trend line, if we get a breakout, almost 40%. Okay, we're looking at close to $60. All right, for Link. Now I'm going to take a minute here and pause. Make sure you guys smash up that like button if you guys are enjoying the content here, if you guys are learning something, if you guys have been making money with me on these streams. All right, that's what's important, guys, is are you guys bettering yourselves as traders? Are you guys learning how to chart? Are you guys understanding what's happening on these charts? Or are you still confused? If you're still confused and you need help learning how to chart, make sure you guys join the Discord. Make sure you guys sign up for the group session on Sunday. It's 11 a.m. Eastern time. All right, I will be here for you guys. I try to be here every day on YouTube. I try to be in the Discord doing live Discord sessions as well. That's why it's important you guys do join the Discord. It is important for yourselves. It doesn't matter if it's crypto, stocks, forex. Doesn't matter what your interest level is in anything. We can teach you guys how to chart. We can teach you guys how to trade. You guys can utilize some of our indicators, which will help you have more confidence in doing what you're doing here every day on the chart. All right. Make sure you guys definitely join the Discord. I cannot stress it enough. There are tons of people in Discord. If I'm not there, there's other folks in the community that can answer your questions and help you guys be more certain about what it is you're trying to learn here, okay? Which coin to long, man? I mean, like, have you not been listening at all, Saeed? Sorry, dude, but we've been talking about these breakouts and these inverse head and shoulders patterns and these measured moves. I mean, it really all depends on what kind of trader you are, okay? Are you a 15-minute chart guy? Then sit on the 15-minute chart and catch micro moves. Are you a long-term swing trader? Well, zoom out, man. Look what Link's about to do. All right? You got to ask yourself, what kind of trader are you? I can't trade for everybody here, but I can guide you guys. I can tell you guys what I think might happen. All right? All right, we're going to look at ONT, band, mana. We looked at FTM already. All right. Guys, ONT, I still think is is going to make some major moves, all right? I'm long ONT. I bought $5,000 worth of this coin around the 190 area, okay? I'm down a little bit on this, all right? My entry wasn't so good. But you can see we bounced right off the weekly 21. Bounced right off of it, all right? As long as we hang on to these gains here, we're going to trek higher. All right, this looks like we did something like this here, right? Where we made a top at a Fibonacci, came back down to back test the weekly and made a run. So came to the 618, back tested. Now we're going to make a run. Okay. And then band. You guys already know my long-term swing trade on band is still active. Here it is. Probably one of the most major patterns I've seen on these charts, aside from Link. Okay, band is going to do something stupid, silly, guys. Are you listening, Saeed? Are you listening, dude? Come on, how do we only have 33 people on this stream right now? It just mind boggles me. I'm literally giving away free trades and free money on these streams every day. I don't know what else to do, man. I just don't get it. Like, what do you guys want? You guys want to make thousands of dollars a second or something? It's like preposterous. It's impossible. Anyways. All right, so band looks really good here on the weekly. As long as we stay above the 21 EMA, we're good. ORN, is that one you guys want to look at? What did I miss here? NEM and ZKS, can you also check BTC pair? All right, NEM. Nobody cares. Johnny, we did not look at ETH yet. We can take a look at it. Okay. Rome says I need to work harder, guys. I guess staying up till 3 a.m. every day is isn't hard enough work. Giving away free content and free trades every day. I guess it's not good enough. That's okay. NEM looks interesting, yeah. You are below the weekly 21, so this could be an opportunity for NEM versus BTC. Right? You could, in theory, trade all the way back up here. You've been in this range, right? So This is I mean, I'm not really too sure on this structure, but it's like it's like kind of like a descending broadening type pattern, but it's not, man. It's like, I don't know. I mean, you could be forming maybe a double bottom here on the weekly. It's close. It's like just a little bit lower of a low. It's very close. It's very close on the oscillator, but it looks good on the weekly to me in terms of a move up. Okay. Oh, I'm not giving up, guys. I just get a little frustrated sometimes because I try to put out the best content that I can in the time that I do have. Chrome, I know, man. You've been here for a while. I know. I appreciate your constructive criticism as well. And I'm going to be trying to put out some more static videos for you guys, at least 2 a week if I can get them out. And yeah, hopefully that helps with the growth of the channel, right? So NEM looks good, guys. This could be a nice opportunity. Definitely could be a nice opportunity, right? You're starting to wean off this negative momentum. There is some divergence forming here on the weekly. If we go to the 3-day chart, you can see it's also weaning off and starting to make these higher lows on momentum again. So not only are you showing the weekly divergence, you're also showing it on the 3-day, and I'm sure on the daily you just got a bullish cross. So the daily also showing it. Still showing it as well. So you have the daily, the 3-day, and the weekly all screaming to you, buy me, okay? Brave is better. I don't even know what he means by that. Filecoin we can look at. We can look at BTT, Bonfire. I don't even know what this is. ORN, MTV, USDT, Mana. All right, we got a few to cover here. All right, MTV, USDT. What is this? Are we going back on MTV, guys? Anyways, that was a terrible joke. But here we go. So we're getting a nice bounce here on the daily, right? Could be making some form of double bottom on the daily chart here, right? Bottom, double bottom, made a higher low here, okay? But you want to get back above this daily 21 EMA, and I'm sure the daily oscillators are probably implying that. They are. They're starting to wean off this negative momentum. You can see the STP DMI, you're in the green area here. So you're in the buy zone area for MTV on the daily. And we could soon see this swing all the way back up to the top of the supply line area, okay? If we get above this area here. Hey, how you doing, Jesus? ZKS. Steve, thank you so much, man. Let's see. ZKS, yeah, well, let's take a look at it. There's not. Oh, you want the BTC pair, right? Never charted this one before. This looks interesting. Never heard of some of these projects. This looks like a new one, I think, right? Yeah, I mean, you went straight down, so maybe you'll just go straight on up. Looks good on this one, Caleb. Yep. Filecoin, we can take a look at. Got back above the daily 21. All right. You're at a breakout area. You're at a breakout area on the daily. You're pointed up. Stochastics look primed, man. Filecoin, Saeed, wherever you are, dude. I might even just jump in Filecoin myself right now. Maybe I'll wait for this thing to pull back. We're right at a supply line. Anyways. Yep, ETH, OST. Right at the supply line, guys. Right at it, man. We really need to break above this. I mean, you are going into a major squeeze on the 4-hour right now. See if we can get the cross up here. If we do that, man, this is going to be a major move for ETH. We need to see the volume, guys. Volume. All right, OST. Came back into the structure. Inverse head and shoulders pattern, like a lot of these are showing right now, right? We had this fake breakdown and got back above it. OST, yeah, man. And like long term, this, I don't even know what this project does, but I was talking about this a while ago. Dang. We got the back test on the 21. You're looking at it, man. Like this is talking about, if this thing goes back to $2, you're talking about a major move, all right? Oh yeah, waves. There it is. I think we broke the all-time highs, or right about there, right? This bottoming triangle down here, this was a nice trade setup back here, back in July, man. This was beautiful. Got a nice breakout down there. Waves looks great. Waves looks great. Total 2. Yeah, let's take a look at total 2. We broke above the 1272 fib extension. ETH Classic, CRV, and Algorand. We looked at Algorand earlier, but we can look at it again. Yeah, we got to break above the 1.11 trillion area, okay? Are we going to get to 6.5 trillion market cap by the end of the year, man? That would be so insane if the altcoins did that. I'm projecting at least a 2.4. That would be good. Oh yeah, BTT. I totally forgot about BTT, man. Sorry about that. Where were we on BTT? All right, you're above the weekly 21. You're making a lower high right now. Let's see. You're at a breakout area for sure on BitTorrent, okay? Break back above the 21 on the daily, mint for BitTorrent, right? And your major top here is the measured move to about 1.35 cents, almost a 50% or almost 100% move, okay? Incoming from BitTorrent. Total 2 versus total is also an important chart. You want to pay attention to this one as well. All right. We covered TRX earlier in the stream, brother. Let's go back to let's look at Algorand. I think that was also requested. We can look at it again. Yeah, here it is. Nice weekly 21 EMA bounce. and we're coming up to the weekly candle body highs here around 150s. If we can break that, we'll be in a weekly breakout. Algorand looks really nice, guys. Looks really nice. Rocket. Yeah, let's take a look at Rocket. We got a trade set up on that. Still looks good, man. Still looks good. We're above the 21 weekly. Okay. We're about to cross bullish. We're at the cusp of crossing bullish. The weekly stochastic is about to cross up as well. The 3-day chart here, kind of sideways right here along the 21. As long as you stay above it, we're good. We didn't look at fourth. We can take a look at that after we look at Rocket here. We looked at ADA earlier. Okay, ADA was in a bullish rectangle. Romain, thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. Rocket, as long as you stay above the 21 EMA on the daily, you can see, man, this is gonna do some silly shit here soon. I think next week on this earnings, all right? The volume has receded completely and entirely. All right, there's a big move coming for this asset. Fourth, yeah, let's take a look at fourth. I know nothing about this asset. Oh, Ample fourth. Oh, the governance token. I see. Yeah. Interesting. This is a big one, huh? Should we buy this? This looks really good. Looks like infancy stage stuff here. So yeah, break above that wick is putting this token close to $100. Looks good. ETH Classic. Gotta check that out real quick. Oh my god, Ethereum Classic, man. Who would have thought a hacked chain could get all the way back up to its previous all-time high and have measured moves to, like, I don't know, $300 or some stupid shit? This is crazy, dude. Anyways, daily, we're above the 21 EMA, making a cup formation here on the daily chart. The 4-hour looking really nice, really primed. I don't know, man. I might take Ethereum Classic. I mean, this looks good. Right. Well, I guess we already had like this breakout here. It could consolidate right here at this major fib before breaking out. Or like the 15-minute probably pulls back here. Okay. But you guys can see. I don't know, whatever. This is the head, basically. It broke this mini one. It's not really clear, but this structure, this low, and this shoulder, right? Let's see. CRV. I still like CRV on the monthly chart, man. I still think this asset's gonna do something really nice as well. I do hold a bag of CRV, not a big bag, but I got some of it. Yeah, on the monthly chart, you're going to close a green candle, so that's good. The weekly, obviously holding above the 21 EMA, right? You're still in this nice triangle structure. It just looks like a major cup with handle, right? That's what this looks like to me, CRV. Sunken City, thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. X, sure. All right, we got the breakout and the back test. You know what that means. Time to rock and roll. Time to rock and roll, man. The pitchfork tool kind of just gives you a longer term. I don't really use pitchfork tool, but you can. Like, so like you can do like sideways shit with it. I don't know. I don't like this tool at all, but you can definitely use it. Ah, Nicola. Yes. How is the Nicola trade doing? Well, we know we're below the weekly 21. All right, we're way below it. That's why I think it's a great long opportunity. Let's see if we can close this week, man, above not the strongest weekly looking candle, but we'll take what we can get at this point from this asset. No weekly cross up just yet. I think we got a 3-day cross though. We're about to get a 3-day cross. I think next week, this thing has earnings next week. It's showing a negative estimate. Yeah, man, this thing's gonna rock, dude. It's gonna rip. It's gonna rip next week. Hang in there, boys. If you're in this trade with me, I'm dollar cost averaged at like 12.90, but hey, I think we can get easily back above this at least to touch the 3-day 21. If we're gonna continue the downtrend, we're gonna at least touch it before we go back down. All right, so we'll have an opportunity to get out of this trade. At least, in my opinion, guys, we're gonna go back up to the weekly 21. GRT we looked at, storage we can look at, and Atom and 1 inch. Yeah, we can look at both of those, sure. Storage we can look at. Do my magic on them, huh? You guys can learn the same magic, right? It's just, we're just looking at the chart. What do I think about Coinbase? Yeah, long term for sure. Coinbase, great. So, yeah, we got the bounce off the 21 weekly on storage. Right, we're going to close a little bit below. Well, let's see if we can end up getting a higher push here. If we can push out, you know, that'd be great for storage. This is where we're at. This is where we're at. Down sloping channel. This is bullish stuff, guys. All right, where are we on the chart? We're at the 886 fib extension. We're here. We're sitting right here. This is fine, man. This is fine. Nothing wrong with this. Okay. We could go sideways here. As long as we remain above the 21 on the daily, the 3-day, and the weekly, man. Or the daily is just about at it, right? So this, yeah. I mean, we've been talking about these inverse head and shoulders patterns, right, for the last hour. This pretty much looks like one. Pretty much looks like one. It's kind of scuffed, but it basically looks like one. It might be a little bit higher, right? This neckline here, but this shoulder is like something like this. And the 4 hours implying move up. Look at the Stokes pointed up, right? RSI pointed up, 57 on the RSI. We're flashing a little bit of red here on the MFI, which just means we could get a bit of a partial decline. Not from Coinbase, is not Coinbase. Hey, great question, Integrity. That's a great question. I'm sure Binance will add a tokenized Coinbase. Sure. We looked at Band already, Jesus. What was it? Storage, Atom, and 1inch. Fake breakout, came back into the pattern, ripped back out. We're back testing it. Man, it looks good. It looks good. Right? Nice little falling wedge here, basically. Cosmos looks good. Looks good. What was the other one? 1inch. Yeah, I was looking at 1inch earlier this morning, actually. All right, you're still in the structure, still in the major structure, right? Bullish rectangle within a major ascending triangle, just consolidating in this range. Could get up to the top. Once you get to the top of the range, you're gonna get a breakout. We've had it test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times already, guys. SHIB. Oh, that's this shit coin, right? I mean, looks like it's gonna go. Looks like it's gonna go up. I mean, what do you want me to say? What do you want me to say? %300 measured move on this Bitcoin. Probably gonna make some people rich. What did I miss, guys? Did I miss any tickers? Did you guys catch that ALTS stream the other day when I called out ALTS at like $9, man? 50% move already on that. Book it. Loom looks good, right? Got the breakout. You form this inverse head and shoulders looking structure, right? Still par for the course. Still par for the course. One. Look at Harmony 1. One coming up to a major neckline here as well. Serbs, anything for you, brother. Are you part of the Discord community, man? Have you joined up? Have you joined up yet? One's hammering off this area here. Looks pretty good on the 4 hour. Hourly 3 bar. That looks really nice, guys. Nice cup formation here. Excellent. Great. OG, no, I didn't add it. I didn't enter any positions. I'll wait for pullbacks and stuff. Plus, I don't really want to babysit it right now. I'm just, you know, whatever. Kind of just chilling. Trying to enjoy my Friday here. ZRX and OMG, Uniswap, Compound, sure. Lena, yeah, Lena we called out. That was an STP call out, man. Got the falling wedge breakout. Right, we broke out. We're now back testing this breakout. Long term looks really nice too on it. Okay. Let's see, Uniswap. Yeah, I was calling for this back test here the other day. I think we're still in the process of maybe a correction, but see if we get it. Like, it would make sense that we come back down, right? Hourly is implying maybe a move up right now, but that's the hourly chart. 4 hour. 4 hour actually looks okay. Like, we could be maybe reversing here. Oh yeah, well, yeah, we wicked down to these levels, so yeah, nice downslope and consolidation pattern. Let's see if we can break out of it. Okay, nice little wedge. All right, on Uniswap, OMG. Long term, it looks great. OMG. You know, probably get back up to the top of this range, this $12 area, probably in the next couple weeks. Couple days. Daily is implying a move up. Okay. Hidden bullish divergence on the daily. Looks good. OMG looks good. What else did I miss here? ZRX. Yeah, came back into the structure. You're just flirting with the 21 EMA right now, but you get back above these levels, you're gonna get a breakout. You're gonna get a breakout, probably up to the 275 area in time. Okay. Same thing. You're about to get a daily bullish cross. Compound and UMA. Sure. Guys, I've been live for over an hour and 15 minutes. Make sure you guys smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and make sure you guys join the Discord. Okay? Join the effing Discord. Right. So, yeah, Compound almost did the measured move of this range breakout. And we're at all-time highs. The next real level here is the 200% retrace. Longer term, or close to, let's just call it $1,000. Okay. Compound looks great. You're above the daily 21 EMA. Your stokes are nice and erect. What's going on, Crypto Commando? You're making positive momentum here, and you got some nice separation on the MACD. Looks great. Looks great. UMA. Yeah, UMA is one of these that's in this, has been in this consolidation for quite some time now, right? But you can see the accumulation happening along the 21 here. I'm going to stop here for 1 minute and just go through some of the STP products. All right, maybe we'll do a quick little commercial. hopefully you guys like that commercial. And I think it. Well, hopefully I got rid of the older one that had copyrighted music in it. But hey, anyways, if you guys are interested in the automated trading bots that we have here at STP, this is probably one of the best indicators on the market right now. It is the SAR indicator. All right, we're like a 98% win rate with this indicator, guys, on a larger time scales. And on shorter time scales, you can see 4 hour on this is throwing longs on UMA. We could get this breakout here, okay? 2690 area is the breakout area for UMA. The 4 hour looking nice, about to get a cross up. All right, maybe I'll take this actually. Let's see if we got a 15-minute. We got on an entry here. This. Awesome. Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate that. So yeah, guys, the SAR indicator, like I said before, is one of Yep. ETH long or short term? I think ETH is gonna go higher, yeah. XLM, we can take a look at. PundyX, we can look at. I think XRP will crash fairly soon, okay. PundyX. There's really no chart data on this asset. Can't really. I feel like oh, it was NPXS. That's what it is. Right. This is the chart. Yeah. Okay. So recently just broke its previous highs. All right. Got close to this 1618 fib extension. Yeah. And we could come back down to the previous high, right? We could come back down here. The weekly is starting to go below the 21 EMA, guys. Just be aware that this asset could make a move down, man. All right. This 21 EMA is a pretty critical spot, pretty critical level. Oh, this is an old chart then, is what you guys are saying? I don't know. Well, there's not too much new chart data then on this. See. PundyX is the new token, yeah. So it's really all about the 21 EMA, all right? We've discussed this already a few times. And also what you want to look at is when you get these bearish crosses like this cross happened here, and you're coming out of negative momentum, then you can expect to see the price move down, right? So you had this this divergence, right? Your price was going up, and your positive momentum was waning, and this is where you can see that big price move down. And also, you want to be aware from a technical point of view, breaking the demand line, right? When you break the demand line, you could have been a major move down, right? Storage is just back testing that weekly 21 EMA. We covered it earlier. And IOTX had a major move today. Never even heard of that coin. FTM making moves. Fourth making moves. ALTS. She's making moves. Harmony 1. There she goes. Hey guys, give me 1 second. Just take a quick bathroom break. I'll be right back. I want to keep streaming for you guys today here. Just give me 1 second. We're going to put on a quick commercial break for y'all. All right. This coin looks good, man. Look at this. You're coming to the top side of the range, right? Nice consolidation, 115% measured move once you break the top side of the range. Wow. Very nice. Bullish rectangle. We like these. But do you guys get bored after like 11 minutes? I'm just curious because, you know, our average watch time is like 11 minutes on this stream, and I've been live for an hour and almost an hour and a half. So let me know if you guys think that these streams are boring or how they could be better. Maybe I should do something else on this stream aside from charts. Let me know your guys' feedback, the people that are watching right now. What would be more beneficial than telling you guys about free trades? Waiting for the feedback. Waiting for the feedback. Live stream chatting. Meaning like I'm just trying to get feedback from everybody. That's all. I'm definitely seeing some growth, so I'm not complaining about that. I just want to see how we can continue to grow and continue to keep people watching the content and keep them engaged. Yeah, that makes sense, Mark. That makes sense. The League of Legends live stream? Nah. Dave, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. We didn't cover Matic, but we can look at it. Now, I'm not really understanding why you think the whole crypto market's going to have a correction right now. We just got a weekly, we're getting a weekly bullish engulfing candle right now. The weekly's not closed, it closed in 2 days, but let's go to the 3-day chart real quick. I don't know, I mean, I guess if we don't make higher highs, right? See. 3-day chart looks pretty good to me. Anyways, we're going to cover Matic and Luna. So 3-day on Matic, Doji, right? Closed in 6 hours. Yeah, I mean, this thing made a major move, man. We could easily see a retrace on this. Okay. We didn't cover Neo, we can cover it. Now, the daily, or this, let's go to the daily real quick. Daily 21 EMA is down here at 53 cents, all right? I'm not saying we get here right away, but we could definitely go sideways or down slope here, right? Before we go higher. We're gonna cover Neo. We're going to cover Luna first, sorry. Luna. Cool. Thanks. Appreciate that feedback, man. Luna. Okay. Yeah, well, that makes sense. I understand that. Maybe I gotta time these streams differently. I don't know. Maybe I gotta do 2 streams. RSI looks nice on Luna. Although the daily Stokes don't... I mean, if we cross down, that's not good. We want to see these Stokes stay up. The 4-hour probably looks better, yeah. Alright, so this looks okay. We need to get back above the 4-hour 21 EMA, right? We are implying it that we will maybe see positive price action if we get a bullish cross. Alright, watch this area right here on the MACD. And then Neo, right? So key point here is we are above the 21 weekly. Right? We are making lower highs though on the weekly chart. Okay. Although we have a couple days left. So if we go to the 3-day chart, you can see that this could be a little cup continuation forming here. Okay. It's not done yet. It's not done completing that yet. We want to see yeah, I mean, we're down here on the bottom part of the SPDMI, so that's good. We have room to the upside here on the 3-day chart, and on the daily chart also showing that, right? Showing it nicely here on the daily as well. Neo looks good. Neo looks good. Hey, if you guys are interested in investing in yourselves this weekend, make sure you guys sign up. Make sure you guys sign up for the group session technical analysis. It is on Sunday, 11 a.m. Eastern time, okay? Sunday, 11 a.m. Eastern time. It is over 1 hour of myself leading a group of students such as yourselves, going through how I find entries and exits on charts. I promise you there will be even trade setups probably given to you on that Zoom call. All right, it's $37 for the hour. We start a half hour early to get introductions, to understand what types of traders there are in the group, and so that I know what to really focus on in that hour. But I will go over the hour. You can just go look at the reviews that other people have made. Okay, we've got 7 reviews on here. This is a great experience. Lots of valuable information being shared. Got 2 buy opportunities while analyzing the charts. This was back in March. We can go to something more recent here. Here you go. This was 2 weeks ago. Very instructive. Follow this class to improve your chart understanding and by the same time your capacity to handle your bot's configuration. All right. Arun, same day. First of all, this is really great. Expect professional technical analysis with explanation and training. There are organizations that will not give you this much information. Save your money and get in on these sessions. I am also going to do some one-on-one with Node. That would be me. There are firms in the UK that don't know crypto and will charge you over £4,000 to do a silly Forex course and train technical. Save your money. In fact, he should be charging us all more. P.S. I ended up live trading whilst learning. Okay, there you go. Make sure you guys sign up Sunday, all right? It's $37 for the hour. Invest in yourselves. Join the group session. I promise you'll learn something. It will be recorded. You will get the recorded session. You can watch it over and over and over again to continue learning for yourselves, all right? Okay. Again, the stock options and crypto alerts, guys. This is me posting swing trades for you guys. We have some of our results from this month right here. All right, I think I lost 2 trades out of 24 here. Badoosh, correct me if I'm wrong, but we had 24 trades posted this month, and 2 of them hit a stop loss, guys. So you guys do the math. That's like almost a 92% win rate for this month. All right. Make sure you guys sign up today, man. It's only 67 bucks right now. We will be probably raising these prices soon. All right. For the real-time trading indicators as well, $57 a month, you get 10 indicators. All right, the RSI bands, S&P DMI, MACD candles, it's all there. Make sure you guys lock in your monthly rates. We're going to be probably raising the prices here May 1st on some of these prices. So make sure you guys, if you're hesitant about it, make sure you guys ask some questions, or whatever you're worried about on these purchases. Make sure you guys clear that up with myself or any of the SP team, and we'll be glad to answer your questions and help you guys through the process. All right. We also did get some reviews on our product here. Very nice package. I have set it up for my own trading style. The support on Discord is excellent. Really friendly bunch of people. Live streams on their YouTube channel are awesome. There you go. The guy posted the YouTube stream. Awesome. I paid for this in full. It's my genuine thoughts. It is paid for itself very quickly. All right. Stop trying to teach people trading. Why would I stop people? Why would I stop people? Why would I stop teaching people, man? That's just one of the stupidest things you can do. You want to teach people how to trade. What's the difference between your videos and your alert service? Well, the alert service, I actually give an alert, right? So wow, he has a whole team? What are you talking about, man? Guys, what is this guy talking about? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. All right, so somebody was asking about the alert service and how their trades are posted. All right, so okay, man, I don't know why you're going to report this channel, but go for it. So here are the alert swing trades that are posted. I give obviously some TA. I give entry points, average entries, so you guys can dollar cost average down to get more of a nice profit on the trade setup. I give the take profit areas here and a longer term outlook if you end up buying and holding type deal. Okay. Here was the XRP trade call at $1.08. We gave an average entry between 90 cents and $1.10, so obviously average entry around $1, and I gave a stop around below 80 cents, which was below this wick right here. All right, and take profits. Obviously, you guys know that XRP hit all of these take profits. Okay, and this was posted 5 days ago. All right. And I said the time frame was a 1 week to 3 week swing. Obviously, I don't know the exact time, how long this is going to take to play out. Here was the BNB swing trade posted, $517. You guys know BNB is over 600 right now. So this was also posted about a week ago. And I also gave a swing 1 to 3 weeks. Filecoin as well. Yeah, I think Filecoin may or may not have hit a stop. I don't think so, but maybe. And then band, right, the 1580s area, or even down here, it was at 1592. Gave an average entry between 15 and a quarter and 1585. You guys already know band is over $17 right now. So we hit all these take profits already. Okay. SKL, this one might have stopped, maybe not, I don't know. But the take profits on SKL are, I think we're over 70 cents right now on this. I think Ave was the one that might have stopped out. Okay, it happens. Lena, we called this one out earlier. You guys get the point. These are how the swings are posted, okay? And earlier on, I was posting things. Well, I mean, you go all the way back, man. There's lots and lots of charts back here where I was posting stuff. GRT in December at 44 cents. Come on, man. I mean, like what do you guys want? Like, this is what we do here at STP, man. Here's EOS at $3 back in November. ICX at 34 cents. Just to give you guys an idea, I've been doing this for almost 2 years now, okay? As a paid-for service, that is. All right? Cool. I think you guys get the point. So that's the alerts for crypto. We also give options trades for stocks. That's also part of the alert package, okay? And then, of course, we have the SAR indicator, all right? For those folks that have larger than a $5,000 trading balance that want to automate their trades. The chains, it'll come, man. I gotta be patient, right? All good things take time. So appreciate all you guys' support, appreciate all your guys' viewership, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the time here with me. It's been almost 2 hours I've been on live streaming, okay? Make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell, and we will hopefully be live for you guys tomorrow. If not, I will be putting up some static content. Make sure you guys watch that. I'll try to maybe give some static content on, like, it's going to be like a different type of slew of content, you know. You guys will check it out. You guys will let me know your feedback on it, and we'll go from there. All right, if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys join the Discord. Again, the group session is Sunday, 11 a.m., okay? Make sure you guys sign up for it. I promise you guys will learn something in this session. You guys can ask questions along the session if I, you know, whatever. All right? Check it out. swingtradepros.com under the products here. We'll see you guys tomorrow, all right? You guys have a wonderful day.